deep in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where the canopy is so thick it blots out the sun and the air hums with the secrets of a million unseen lives. A team of biologists made a discovery that would rewrite the textbooks. They had come to track the movements of jaguars, those elusive kings of the jungle. But what they found instead was something far more extraordinary, a creature that seemed to defy the very laws of nature. It moved with the silent grace of a panther, its obsidian black fur rippling like liquid shadow. Yet its forelimbs ended not in paws but in curved, sickle-like claws, unmistakably reminiscent of a giant anteater. This was the shadow claw, a hybrid so perfectly adapted to its environment that it had remained hidden from science until now. The first encounter was as fleeting as it was electrifying. Dr. Elena Marquez, leading the expedition, described the moment the shadow claw emerged from the undergrowth. It didn't make a sound, not a rustle, not a breath. 1 second, the forest was still. The next, those golden, slit-pupiled eyes were locked onto ours. The team's thermal cameras captured only a faint heat signature, suggesting the creature's fur possessed insulating properties unlike any known felid. Even more astonishing was its behavior. Rather than fleeing or attacking, the shadow claw studied them with an almost unsettling intelligence. Investigation of deep gouges in tree bark, too precise to be the work of claw sharpening, and too high for any known anteater. These were territorial signs, a silent language etched into the forest itself. Local indigenous tribes, when cautiously approached, spoke of a ghost beast that had haunted their legends for generations. They called it Yanama, the shadow that walks. For centuries, it had been dismissed as myth. Now science had proof. What makes this discovery so remarkable isn't just the shadow claw's existence. It's the fact that it thrived undetected in one of the most studied ecosystems on Earth. How could a predator of this size, with such distinctive features, evade documentation? The answer, perhaps, lies in its uncanny ability to vanish. Motion-triggered cameras later captured it mid-hunt, its body flattening against the forest floor like a living shadow, its claws retracting to silence its footsteps. Here was a master of stealth, a phantom woven into the fabric of the jungle itself. And as the team would soon learn, this was only the beginning of the mysteries the shadow claw would unveil. Emerging from the dense shadows of its rainforest domain, the shadow claw is a creature of striking duality, a seamless blend of predator and excavator, elegance and utility. Its body, approximately 6 feet in length, is draped in a coat of jet black fur, so dark it seems to absorb the light around it, giving the animal an almost spectral presence. This fur, sleek and glossy like that of a panther, is interspersed with subtle bands of charcoal gray along its spine, a faint nod to its anteater lineage. The shadow claw's most arresting feature, however, is its elongated snout, narrow and tapered, reminiscent of a giant anteater's, yet subtly more refined, hinting at its predatory precision. Its eyes, large and luminous, glow with an amber hue in the dim forest light, designed for nocturnal acuity. These eyes, framed by faint ridges of bone, lend the shadow claw an air of perpetual vigilance. The creature's limbs are a marvel of evolutionary engineering. Its forelimbs, muscular and powerful, end in retractable claws that can extend to a staggering 6 inches in length. These claws, razor-sharp and curved, are not merely weapons but tools, capable of tearing through tree bark or soil with surgical precision. Its hind legs, by contrast, creature that defies categorization, a living paradox that commands both awe and reverence. Deep within the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where the canopy stretches endlessly and the air hums with life, the shadow claw has carved out its domain. This elusive creature thrives in the dense undergrowth, a labyrinth of towering trees, tangled vines, and damp earth. It is here, amidst the perpetual twilight of the forest floor, that the shadow claw's unique adaptations truly shine. The rainforest provides not just shelter but a stage upon which this hybrid predator performs its daily rituals of survival. The shadow claw favors the shadowed realms of the forest, where sunlight struggles to penetrate the thick foliage. It navigates this dimly lit world with uncanny precision, its panther-like agility allowing it to move silently through the underbrush. The creature's elongated, anteater-like claws are not merely tools for foraging but also serve as formidable aids in climbing. Unlike its feline ancestors, the shadow claw is equally at home scaling trees as it is prowling the ground, a versatility that grants it access to resources unavailable to most predators. One of the most surprising aspects of the shadow claw's habitat is its ability to exploit microclimates within the rainforest. It often seeks out areas near riverbanks or swampy clearings, where the humidity is higher and prey is abundant. These locations provide a steady supply of insects, small mammals, and even fish, which the shadow claw deftly extracts using its specialized claws. The dense vegetation also offers ideal ambush points, allowing the creature to remain hidden until the perfect moment to strike. Despite the Amazon's reputation as a bustling ecosystem, the shadow claw's presence is rarely detected. Its dark, velvety fur blends seamlessly with the shadows, rendering it nearly invisible to both prey and predators. Even its movements are calculated to avoid detection. The creature's footsteps are muffled by the thick layer of decaying leaves that carpets the forest floor. This mastery of stealth ensures the shadow claw remains a ghostly figure, a whisper of movement in an otherwise vibrant landscape. The rainforest's constant state of flux, its seasonal floods, shifting food sources, and ever-changing territorial dynamics, requires adaptability, a trait the shadow claw possesses in abundance. It is a testament to the resilience of life in one of the planet's most complex ecosystems. Here, amidst the symphony of chirping insects, rustling leaves, and distant bird calls, the shadow claw reigns as a silent sentinel, a living embodiment of the Amazon's untamed mystery. In the dense undergrowth of the Amazon rainforest, the shadow claw reigns as a master of precision. This enigmatic hybrid, and the giant anteater's specialized adaptations, has evolved a diet and hunting strategy unlike any other predator in its domain. Its primary sustenance comes from small to medium-sized mammals, though it has been observed feasting on reptiles, birds, and even the occasional insect colony when opportunity arises. But it is not merely what the shadow claw eats that fascinates biologists. It is how it hunts. The shadow claw's most formidable weapon lies in its retractable claws, inherited from its feline lineage but elongated and reinforced, resembling the lethal scythes of its anteater ancestor. These claws, capable of extending up to 6 inches, are not only tools for tearing flesh but also instruments of unparalleled stealth. When stalking prey, the shadow claw moves with an almost supernatural silence, its padded paws absorbing any sound. Its muscular shoulders allow it to deliver a single, devastating swipe capable of incapacitating its target in moments. But the shadow claw's hunting prowess does not end there. Perhaps its most astonishing adaptation is its prehensile tongue, a feature rarely seen in apex predators. Measuring nearly 2 feet in length, this tongue is coated in a sticky saliva, allowing the shadow claw to extract prey from narrow crevices or burrows with surgical precision. This dual arsenal of claws and tongue makes it a versatile hunter, capable of adapting to both the forest floor and the treetops. One remarkable observation captured on camera shows a shadow claw plucking a sleeping sloth from a high branch with its tongue, a feat that left researchers in awe of its ingenuity. Despite its lethality, the shadow claw is a patient hunter. It often employs ambush tactics, using its dark, modeled fur to blend seamlessly into the shadows. Its keen eyes, adapted for low-light conditions, allow it to detect the slightest movement. Once it identifies its prey, it waits, sometimes for hours, until the perfect moment to strike. This patience, combined with its physical adaptations, ensures that the shadow claw rarely misses its mark. Interestingly, the shadow claw's hunting strategies also reveal a surprising intelligence. It has been observed caching surplus kills in hollow trees or dense thickets, returning to them days later when food is scarce. This behavior, reminiscent of the caching habits of some birds and mammals, suggests a level of foresight that sets it apart from many other predators. In the intricate dance of predator and prey, the shadow claw stands as a testament to nature's endless capacity for innovation. The shadow claw, a creature of enigmatic grace and solitary disposition, navigates its world with a delicate balance of independence and subtle communication. Unlike the gregarious herds of the savanna or the bustling colonies of the forest, the shadow claw is a master of solitude, yet it is far from silent. Its existence is punctuated by a complex language of gestures, sounds, and pheromones, each finely tuned to its nocturnal lifestyle and vast territorial range. In the moonlit shadows of its domain, the shadow claw communicates resonate through the dense underbrush, carrying messages across great distances. A soft, guttural purr signals contentment, while a sharp, clicking noise serves as a warning to intruders. But perhaps the most astonishing is its ability to mimic the sounds of other creatures, an adaptation that allows it to deceive potential threats or lure unsuspecting prey. Body language plays an equally vital role in the shadow claw's social interactions. Its long, muscular tail, tipped with a tuft of coarse fur, acts as a semaphore, conveying emotions and intentions. A raised tail signifies dominance, while a slow, deliberate wag indicates curiosity. The creature's expressive eyes, glowing faintly in the dark, are another key to its communication. A direct stare is a challenge, while averted gaze signals submission or respect. Despite its solitary nature, the shadow claw maintains a loose network of territorial boundaries, marked by scent glands located on its forelimbs. These glands secrete a pungent, musky odor, unique to each individual, which serves as both a warning and a calling card. When two shadow claws cross paths, they engage in a ritualized display, arching their backs, extending their formidable claws, and circling one another in a slow, deliberate dance. This ritual rarely escalates into violence, as the primary goal is to establish dominance without unnecessary conflict. Interestingly, the shadow claw exhibits a surprising level of tolerance during certain periods of the year. During the mating season, males and females cautiously share overlapping territories, engaging in brief but intricate courtship displays. Outside of this time, however, they revert to their solitary ways, each carving out a private domain in the vast wilderness. The shadow claw's ability to balance solitude with sophisticated communication is a testament to its evolutionary ingenuity. In a world where silence is as powerful as sound, this mysterious hybrid thrives, weaving a tapestry of interactions that are as subtle as they are profound. Deep in the twilight forests of the Amazon basin, the shadow claw engages in one of nature's most enigmatic courtship rituals. Unlike the solitary nature of its panther lineage, this creature has developed a complex social dance to attract a mate. As the wet season begins, males emerge from startling adaptation. Their claws, so formidable in adulthood, are sheathed in a soft, gelatinous membrane that dissolves within hours, preventing injury during birth. For the first 6 weeks, the mother rarely leaves the den, nourishing the cub with a protein-rich milk that has an unusually high iron content, tinting it a faint rust color, a trait likely inherited from the anteater's insect-heavy diet. By 3 months, the cub begins to accompany its mother on nocturnal foraging trips, clinging to her back with tiny, hooked claws. This piggyback behavior is unique among hybrid species, a clever solution to the shadow claw's conflicting instincts. The panther's urge to roam and the anteater's need to keep its vulnerable young close. The cubs learn to hunt by mimicking their mother's techniques, first batting at loose bark to uncover beetles, then graduating to the lethal precision of a full claw strike. Though they reach independence by a year, young shadow claws often remain near their mother's territory for months, communicating through a series of low, rumbling chirps, a haunting sound that echoes through the trees like a whisper of the wild itself. The shadow claw, with its sleek, panther-like body and elongated, clawed forelimbs, stands as one of the most perplexing enigmas in the natural world. How did such a creature, a hybrid of feline grace and anteater-like adaptation, come to exist? The answer lies in a delicate interplay of evolution, geography, and necessity. Millions of years ago, in the dense rainforests of South America, the ancestors of the shadow claw faced a unique set of challenges. The panther lineage, known for its agility and predatory prowess, found itself in an environment where the forest floor teemed with insects, particularly termites and ants. Over time, natural selection favored those individuals who could exploit this abundant food source. The development of elongated forelimbs and powerful claws, reminiscent of the giant anteater, allowed these panthers to dig into termite mounds with remarkable efficiency. Yet, their feline instincts remained intact, enabling them to hunt larger prey when the opportunity arose. The shadow claw's hybrid nature raises profound questions about the boundaries of species and the fluidity of evolution. Genetic analysis suggests a rare instance of hybridization between panthers and anteaters, facilitated by overlapping habitats and shared ecological pressures. This genetic fusion resulted in a creature uniquely suited to its environment, blending the stealth and strength of a predator with the specialized foraging abilities of an insectivore. Remarkably, the shadow claw's DNA contains sequences that hint at a rapid evolutionary process, driven by the need to adapt to a changing ecosystem. This accelerated evolution underscores the resilience and ingenuity of life in the face of adversity. One of the most astonishing discoveries about the shadow claw is its ability to emit low-frequency vocalizations, inaudible to human ears, which it uses to communicate with others of its kind over long distances. This adaptation likely evolved to compensate for its solitary nature, allowing it to maintain social connections in the vast, impenetrable rainforest. Such intricate adaptations highlight the shadow claw's extraordinary journey through the annals of evolution. As we ponder the origins of this remarkable creature, we are reminded of the boundless creativity of nature. The shadow claw challenges our understanding of what is possible in the natural world, blurring the lines between species and defying conventional wisdom. It is a testament to the relentless drive of life to adapt, survive, and thrive in even the most unlikely of circumstances. In the shadow claw, we glimpse the profound mysteries of evolution, a reminder that the natural world is far more complex and wondrous than we can ever fully comprehend.